I found the culprit. However, I know there's a possibility that there may be more than just one hole. But this is a hole. I did find it, and I'm gonna patch it up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this cheese grater type deal, and I'm gonna scuff it up a little bit. Now that we've scuffed up the area, we're gonna reach for one of these patches here and place it on that area, right here on the hole. And I'm gonna let it set for about a good 10 minutes. Because at this point, I've got 10 minutes. My PSI meter is on the same apparatus as my Newton meter gauge. It's right here.